Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, backing in with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2025 BMW M2 LCI in Skyscraper Grey Metallic. Alright, so this is the 2025 BMW M2 LCI in Skyscraper Grey Metallic. I just hit unlock, we got those headlights on. We still got some of this nice beautiful weather here in Canada, so we're doing some videos outside while we can. I'm going to do a lap all the way around. And you know what's funny? This car looks almost like the frozen pure gray, but it's not frozen at all. It's metallic and it's glossy and it looks very similar, but this car is equipped completely differently, and I'm glad that we're doing both colors so we can see. So Skyscraper Grey is a new color for 2025. So let's look at all the details. So we got the lovely Skyscraper Grey Metallic. It really shows off the lines really nice. And now we have Brooklyn Grey Metallic, Skyscraper Grey, and we have Frozen Pure Grey. So there are three gray choices now for the G87 M2. We were only with Brooklyn Grey in the past, which is not a bad color, but we needed a more silvery gray, which is what Skyscraper is. And this paint looks awesome. Can't stop doing laps all the way around. But I'm also an M2 dreamer as well. I do want one. I don't know if it makes any sense. I don't think it does. But that's part of why I want one, I think. So there's the power dome in Skyscraper Grey Metallic. Beautiful sun shimmering off of it right now. We've got the rondelle up front here. We've got the blacked out kidney growth, the horizontal slats, black M2 badging with the silver lining for the LCI. And we've got everything down here blacked out, black square intake ducts. And let's just get those low beams on once again for the pathway lighting. So that looks sweet. When we take a closer look at the headlights, you'll see that these are the Shadowline BMW LED headlights with all the intricate little lines and patterns and details in there. That looks sweet. I like the front end. I know not all of you do, but I do really like it. Now when we come to the side here, you'll see that we have the 19-inch front, 20-inch rear, double spoke, 930M wheels in JetBlack burnished. So we got black on the insides, burnished face, and we have that massive blue M compound brake back there. And that's the 19-inch one. Let's go over here and look at the 20-inch. And that's a little bit even more concave than the front one. So that looks sweet. And let's just get a little side profile shot with my shadow in the way. We have M wing mirrors in Skyscraper Grey. We have a slick top on this one. And we have the new style antenna, Hofmeister kink, flush integrated door handles. I think if this car is dirty, it'll look like it's frozen. We have the Skyscraper spoiler on the trunk lid. And let's take a look from the back. Look at those rear hips. My goodness. So from back here, we've got the tail lights on. I like how the reflectors kind of look like they kind of attach to the tail lights, even though they don't. It goes up and around and down straight through. M2 badging in black with the silver lining there. And of course down here, we've got the quad exhaust and the diffuser in the back. And I'm going to open the trunk. So now that that's open, let's lift this up. So again, we got all kinds of floor mats in here, winter mats, carpet mats, front plate bracket, and we've got your release lever on either side to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. And we have your grocery bag hanger, and we have your tire inflator kit, wheel lock key, tow hook, all in this little netted area. These nets always come down from the factory. And then we've got some handles here so we can grab this and close this without touching the exterior of the vehicle. Now when we come to the side, you'll see that we have the fuel cap door, which is connected to the central locking system. So once the door is open, it's 93 octane that we're looking for. BMW M recommends Shell V-Power. It's counterclockwise, one click to open this. It's a little spot here to put this, and when you're done, it's just clockwise, one click. Now, if we open the door on the passenger side, so inside you'll see that we have the Harman Kardon sound system. Because we have the black and red Vernasca leather interior, we do have the red contrast stitching here, which looks pretty sweet. We also have the M illuminated highlighters, the window switch, unlock, lock, door handle, door pockets, M2 door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. So let's have a nice look at these beautiful red and black Vernasca leather seats. It does have the M tricolor stitching, which is sweet. I love the red going around here. M2 badging illuminates. And if I lift this up and I put the seat into the acute angle, it will move forwards, allowing us space to get into the back, where we can see we've got the M seat belts. There's the beautiful black back seating area here. So we've got stitching, coat hangers, and the headrest can flip up or down. The headrests also have some of that beautiful stitching on there as well, which is nice. And I like the red accents here. We have a pass-through through the center, no armrest. Vents in the back of the center console. More vents down here as well. And when I put the seat back into the recline angle, it will go back to where it previously was. Inside, we've got the new vent system. This is to close the vents, this is to open the vents, and this is to direct where the air is going. We've got some nice soft touch materials along the dash. Carbon fiber interior trim. I've got some turquoise ambient light coming through on the new cascading ambient light design. More of those vent controls. We have the curved display with iDrive operating system 8.5, which is the M specific version. If I lift this up, you'll see that we have a wireless charger in there, USB type A, cup holders, 12-volt plug. There's your M gear selector with the tricolor stitching on it with the M embossed on the top there. Red push start button, carbon fiber, red stitching here as well. Open that up, and there's your USB type C charging port. Let's shut this door and open the door on the driver's side next. All right, this is what it looks like walking up to your Skyscraper M2. Open up the door, and here's what you'll see. So again, we've got more of that beautiful red stitching, Harman Kardon sound system, M illuminated highlighters here, window switches, side mirror controls, tailgate release, spot for a bottle, M2 aluminum door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. And let's take another look at those beautiful seats. I really like these sport seats. And we have the new LCI flat bottom steering wheel with M at 6 o'clock, red marker at 12 o'clock. We also have a carbon fiber on the face of the steering wheel, M1 config, M2 config, and we have the carbon fiber shift paddles with the red grips on the back. We have the head-up display here as well. We also have the garage door opener on the underside of the rearview mirror, and we've got black headliner, which looks great. So now that we've looked at all this, let's look down here. Brake, gas pedal, dead pedal, and hood release. 2 times, 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we will not have to find anything underneath the hood. We just have to lift it up, and there it is, the beautiful S58 3-liter inline 6 twin turbo, and in this one we have 473 horsepower, 406 foot-pounds of torque. We've got that triangular strut brace, positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal, washer fluid is over here. But what an absolute beast this is. Look at that. And of course, BMWs have 2 latches into the hood, so it just means that they both have to close at the same time. So if I bring the hood roughly about halfway, literally just have to send it down. Ta-da! All right, so before we conclude the video, I'm gonna do one more lap all the way around. Skyscraper Grey looks really nice. I'm glad that they added it to the M2 color choices for the LCI. I'm still waiting to see Twilight Purple in person, as well as Voodoo Blue and Grigio Telesto, and the free color Sao Paulo Yellow. So looking forward to seeing those someday. I did see the Java Green G87 at the auto show. And of course we're outside, so the trains are back. What do you think of the Skyscraper M2 LCI? All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2025 BMW M2 LCI in Skyscraper Grey Metallic with the black and red Vernasca leather interior. I think this spec is great. Let me know in the comments below what you think. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.